Namaste. Today I am teaching for you प्राणायामा series. आज मैं आपको प्राणायाम के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ. Please select your posture simple. This is simple Sukhasana or you making Padmasana. This is good for pranayama time. Okay. Padmasana is meditation posture, lotus posture. So relax your body. First prana. Prana means vital force and life force, and ayama means extension. So extension in our vital force in our body, this is called for pranayam. Pranayam give definition according Patanjali, tasmin sati swans praswas yugarti vicheta pranayama means regulation of breath. इसका मतलब यह है कि आप अपनी योग की विधियों के द्वारा श्वास और प्रश्वास की गति को रोक के उसका ठहराव अपने अंदर करने की कोशिश करें, उस प्राण ऊर्जा का विस्तार अपने अंदर बनाए रखें, उसे प्राणायाम कहा गया है. द कंट्रोल ऑफ प्राणायाम इज द स्टॉपेज ऑफ इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन विच फॉलो आफ्टर securing that steadiness of posture or sit. प्राणायाम हमेशा आसनों के पश्चात ही किया जाना चाहिए. After आसन then you do pranayama practice. Pran is 5 types. वायु means air. प्राण का दूसरा नाम वायु कहा गया है. यह 5 प्रकार के हैं. This is 5 types: प्राण, अपान, समान, उदान and व्यान. Pran space place over this area near lungs area and heart area. Okay, means chest side. Apan navel to down leg side. Saman heart to navel area. This area saman vayu. Saman prana. Okay, and udan notch kantakup to head. Here udan vayu, and complete body is here working vyana vayu. So you understand prana and pranayama. So now first we are doing bhastrika pranayama. So please relax your body. You make a jnana mudra or you catch your knee. Main, don't move your body. Relax your body. Shoulder relax, stomach relax, and your neck and spine should be straight. So first simple select your posture. Bhastrika means bellows breath. This time pumping your lungs. But as a primary stage, inhale and exhale. Okay? Equal inhale and equal exhale. Processing inhale forcefully and forcefully exhale. So pumping you feel here. So first time as a primary stage you try very slowly, and please you start 10 times like this. Okay. After when you start regular practice, then you improve very fast like this. This name bellows breath named Bhastrika. Bhastrika balance our three dosa. This is benefit. Three dosa is balancing. Our Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosa is balancing. Second, improve pure oxygen in our blood and reduce the carbon dioxide level in our blood. So understand maybe. Second, if you're doing Bhastrika, this time you feel sweating or starting team you feel tired. Then after Bhastrika, then you use normal breath. Relax. This is primary state. Okay, normal inhale, exhale. If you feel blockage your nostril area or foot pipe area, so please you try before pranayam kriyas, satkarma, cleaning process. Okay, Kunjal Kriya, Jalneti, Rabarneti, and other Kriya also. Then this pranayama main precaution. Who people not doing for this pranayama? High blood pressure, heart disease, hernia problem, gastric ulcer, anybody feeling for a stroke, so this person, epilepsy and glaucoma, and pregnancy ladies avoid for this pranayama. Okay, so please remember precaution is main, then benefit is okay. Second, after this pranayama you want real techniques, so after this pranayama you include here Surya Vedi pranayama. So simple, Surya Vedi you understand, right nostril inhale and exhale only your left nostril. आप अपनी दाएं नासा सीधे से सांस लेंगे और बाएं नासा से सांस छोड़ेंगे। इसके लिए आप अपने दाएं हाथ को प्रणव मुद्रा और प्राणायाम मुद्रा बनाने के बाद ही इसका अभ्यास करें। So you make your right hand Pranam Mudra and Pranayam Mudra. This is Pranayam Mudra and this is Pranam Mudra. Okay. So first you'll understand Surya Vedi. Right side inhale, then hold, then left side exhale. This is Surya Vedi. Now complete and real techniques, real method, Bhastrika Pranayam. So start first 10 times. Inhale, eyes closed. When last you exhale, breathe out, then automatic press your left nostril and inhale your right nostril. Now close your both nostril, hold your both nostril, then exhale your left side. Now relax. This is one round complete. Now you understand? First you inhale and exhale, and after last breath you exhale, then you use Pranam Mudra or Pranayam Mudra. Now inhale right nostril and hold your both nostril, then exhale your left nostril throughout your left nostril. Okay. Again last time 20 times inhale and exhale. Eyes closed. Start. Some people use here breath hold and some people use here Jalandhar Bath. You chin your touch your notch area. आपकी ठोड़ी कंठ खूब से लगेगी, सांस रोक के रखें, जलंधर लगाए रखें. Then release your neck, face up, and exhale throughout your left nostril. Relax. Okay. So relax your hand, release your leg. आशा आपने भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम को अच्छी तरह समझा. भस्त्रिका में आपने सांस लेनी है और सांस छोड़नी है लगातार. उसके बाद सूर्य वेदी प्राणायाम से इसको समाप्त करना है. कम से कम आप 10 से 20 बार श्वास प्रश्वास का अभ्यास करें. उसके बाद आप महीने 2 महीने बाद ही सूर्य वेदी को जोड़ के उसका अभ्यास पूर्ण तरह से मतलब उसका वास्तविक अभ्यास उसका करें. तो आशा है. थैंक यू.